Hey, beauty lovers! Tired of spending too much on makeup applicators? What if I told you that you can easily make your own at home? Let's dive into some fun DIY beauty hacks that will elevate your makeup game. In the beauty world, having the right tools can make a huge difference. But let's be real, those high-end applicators can really add up. By crafting your own, you not only save money but also personalize your beauty routine. Plus, it's super easy and a lot of fun. 1. Did you know you can turn a kitchen sponge into a makeup sponge? Just cut it into smaller pieces, and you've got a fantastic foundation applicator. This hack is perfect for blending and gives you that flawless finish without breaking the bank. 2. Got an old toothbrush lying around? Clean it up, and you can transform it into a lip brush. Just dampen the bristles a bit, dip it in your lip color, and you're all set for a precise application. It's perfect for achieving that ideal pout. 3. Want to apply blush like a pro? Grab some cotton pads. Simply dab your favorite blush onto the pad and press it onto your cheeks. This technique allows you to build up the color gradually, giving you that beautiful, natural rosy glow. 4. For those tricky spots, a Q-tip is your new best friend. Use it to apply and blend eyeshadow with precision. It's also great for fixing any makeup mishaps. 5. Feeling a bit dry? You can create your own face mist using a small spray bottle. Just mix some water with your favorite moisturizer or essential oils, and give it a spritz. It's refreshing and helps your makeup last longer. Ready to get started? Here's how you can jump in. 1. Grab a kitchen sponge and cut it into small pieces for your new foundation applicator. 2. Find an old toothbrush, clean it up, and use it for your lips. 3. Use cotton pads for applying blush. 4. Get some Q-tips to help with your eyeshadow. 5. Mix water and moisturizer in a spray bottle to create your face mist. Just a quick reminder. Make sure to clean all your DIY applicators regularly to avoid skin issues. Also, test any DIY products on a small area of your skin first, especially if you're using new ingredients. And there you have it. Transform your beauty routine with these easy DIY applicators. Don't forget to share your favorite hacks in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing tips. So there you have it. With these